Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful Excel shortcuts that can seriously speed up your work and make you look like a pro. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl plus T. This instantly converts your data into a table. It adds filters, formatting, and makes your data easier to manage. Super useful. Number 2. Ctrl plus semicolon. Press Ctrl plus semicolon. This will insert today's date instantly into the selected cell. No need to type it manually. Number 3. Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. This shortcut inserts the current time. Perfect for time tracking or logs. Number 4. Alt plus equals. Press Alt plus equals. This quickly applies the AutoSum formula. Excel will automatically suggest a range. Just hit Enter. Number 5. Ctrl plus 1. Press Ctrl plus 1. This opens the Format Cells dialog box. From here, you can change number format, font, borders, and more. Number 6. Ctrl plus Shift plus 4. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 4. This formats numbers as currency using your system's default symbol, in most cases, the $sign. Perfect for financial data and reports. Number 7. Ctrl plus Shift plus 5. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 5. This applies the percentage format. Perfect for reports and analysis. Number 8. Ctrl plus Shift plus 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 1. This formats numbers with commas and 2 decimal places. Makes large numbers easier to read. Number 9. Ctrl plus open bracket. Press Ctrl plus open bracket. This takes you directly to the cell referenced in a formula. Great for auditing formulas. Number 10. Ctrl plus close bracket. Press Ctrl plus close bracket. This highlights all cells that are dependent on the selected cell. Very useful for understanding data flow. That's it. These shortcuts can save you tons of time and boost your productivity in Excel. Try using them in your daily work. You'll notice the difference immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.